Deep in the tropics, millions of banana trees are harvested every single year for their delicious fruit.
But once the fruit is gone, and the massive stems are usually chopped down and simply left to rot.
This agricultural waste creates a massive environmental headache for farmers who simply want to clear their land.
However, inside this modern engineering marvel, we are turning that useless waste into a high-value product.
If you love seeing how engineering transforms the world, make sure to smash that subscribe button right now. Today we are revealing the incredible journey from a raw green banana stem to a beautiful woven carpet.
The process begins at the loading dock, where fresh stems are sorted by size and overall quality.
Skilled workers must first remove the tough outer skin to reveal the fibrous layers hidden deep inside.
These white layers are fed into a powerful machine called a decorticator, which crushes the plant matter. Rapidly rotating blades beat the stem against a metal plate, stripping away the water and green pulp.
The waste pulp is washed away and collected to be used later as organic fertilizer for crops.
What emerges from the other side are long, wet strands of incredibly strong and natural banana fiber. Workers gather these wet bundles and hang them on large racks to begin the crucial drying process.
The sun plays a vital role here, naturally bleaching the fiber and removing all the excess moisture.
Over 24 hours, the intense heat transforms the wet strands into a fluffy and lightweight material.
Once fully dried, the fiber is collected and transported back inside for the next stage of processing.
A mechanical combing machine gently separates the tangled strands, ensuring they are parallel and ready for spinning. This combing step also removes any remaining pulp dust or short fibers that are not strong enough.
Quality control is strictly enforced, as only the strongest and cleanest fibers make it to carpet production. The refined material enters the spinning room, where automated machines twist it into a continuous, strong yarn. This twisting action locks the fibers together, creating a yarn that rivals the strength of synthetic ropes.
Rows of these machines work tirelessly to produce thousands of meters of eco-friendly yarn every hour.
Human operators monitor the tension and replace full bobbins to keep the production line moving without pause.
The natural cream color is beautiful, but some carpets require vibrant hues, so we head to dyeing.
Large stainless steel vats are filled with eco-friendly dyes, heated to the perfect temperature for absorption. Cranes lower the yarn bundles into the color bath, where they soak until the shade is perfect.
Once the color is locked in, and the yarn is washed thoroughly to remove any excess chemical residue.
A high-speed centrifuge spins the wet yarn violently to force out most of the water instantly. The damp yarn is then placed in a climate-controlled drying room to finish the curing process. The result is a vibrant and textured material that retains the natural sheen of the banana fiber.
Now the real magic begins, as thousands of spools are loaded onto the creel for the loom.
These individual threads are pulled together to form the warp, which is the backbone of every carpet. The giant automated loom takes over, inserting the weft threads back and forth at lightning-fast speeds. A shuttle flies across the loom, weaving the banana yarn into a tight and durable fabric structure.
Slowly but surely, the intricate pattern of the carpet begins to emerge, row by row, from the machine.
Modern looms are controlled by computers, allowing for complex designs that would be impossible to do manually.
Sensors detect even the slightest break in the thread, stopping the machine instantly to prevent any defects.
A skilled operator steps in to tie a microscopic knot,
and gets the production back on track.
As the hours pass, the roll of woven banana fiber carpet grows larger and heavier on the spindle. Once the roll reaches full size, a forklift is brought in to remove the massive heavy cylinder. The raw carpet is unrolled onto a long light table. Any loose loops or small imperfections are fixed by hand to ensure the surface is absolutely flawless. The fabric is then fed into a coating machine, where liquid latex is applied to the back.
Heavy rollers press the latex deep into the fibers, locking the weave in place and adding durability. To set the glue, the carpet travels through a long industrial oven heated to precise curing temperatures.
It exits the oven stiff and sturdy, ready to withstand years of heavy foot traffic in homes.
Next, a shearing machine shaves the top layer of the carpet to create a perfectly level surface.
Powerful vacuums suck up the excess fuzz, leaving behind a texture that feels soft under your feet. Large automated blades now cut the continuous roll into specific rug sizes based on customer orders. Skilled workers use heavy-duty sewing machines to bind the edges, preventing fraying, and this binding tape gives the rug a finished look and ensures it will last for many decades.
Before packaging, every square inch is brushed and vacuumed one last time to remove any factory dust.
Workers roll the finished rugs tightly and wrap them in thick protective plastic for global shipping. The warehouse is stacked high with these eco-friendly masterpieces ready to be sent around the world.
In a home, these carpets offer a unique texture that synthetic materials simply cannot replicate or match.
You can see the natural variations in the fiber, which give every single rug a unique character.
Unlike plastic carpets which release microplastics, and this natural product is completely biodegradable and safe for the planet.
Utilizing these stems reduces carbon emissions by preventing the rotting waste from releasing methane into the air. It also provides a new stream of income for farmers, who now get paid for their waste.
This industry supports rural communities, creating jobs for local artisans who weave baskets and other small goods.
Even the water extracted from the stems is rich in nutrients and is used as liquid fertilizer.
This factory operates on a near zero waste model, using every part of the plant for something.
The engineering required to process this tough, fibrous material is a testament to human innovation and persistence.
Decades ago, extracting this fiber was a slow, manual process that was too expensive for mass production. Modern automation has changed the game, allowing us to process tons of material in a single day.
It combines the speed of industrial machinery with the renewable nature of traditional organic farming methods.
And it is not just carpets. This versatile fiber is also being used for papercloth and banknotes.
In fact, banana fiber is a key ingredient in some of the most durable currencies in circulation.
In the lab, we test the carpets for durability, ensuring they can withstand years of heavy abrasion. We also test for water resistance, as the natural waxes in the fiber help repel small spills.
Surprisingly, banana fiber is naturally fire-resistant, making it a safer choice for homes than synthetic materials. Design teams work constantly to create new patterns that blend modern aesthetics with this rustic natural material.
From simple, solid colors to complex geometric shapes, and the versatility of the modern loom is truly impressive. For high-end custom orders, artisans use hand tufting guns to shoot yarn directly into a canvas backing.
They then carve the pile with scissors to create a three-dimensional relief effect on the rug.
These premium rugs often end up in luxury hotels, where sustainability and style are both top priorities.
Every day, trucks leave this facility, carrying proof that we do not need to sacrifice nature for luxury.
It is a triumph of engineering that has turned a simple fruit byproduct into a global industrial commodity.
The transformation is total, and it challenges us to look at other waste streams in new ways.
Researchers are now looking at pineapple leaves and coconut husks, hoping to replicate this success with other crops.
The factory itself is often powered by renewable energy, making the entire production cycle as green as possible.
Water usage is minimized through recycling systems, ensuring that the local environment is protected from industrial drought.
This facility proves that heavy industry does not have to be an enemy of the natural world.
While machines do the heavy lifting, there is still a place for traditional hand-weaving techniques here.
Some details, like the fringe, can only be done perfectly by the steady hand of a master.
For the consumer, that tag represents a choice to support a cleaner and more sustainable manufacturing future.
It feels like wool, it shines like silk, but it comes from the humble trunk of a banana.
The banana plant is truly a miracle of nature, providing us with food, fiber, and even fuel.
As the sun sets, we can appreciate the ingenuity that allows us to harness this potential fully.
From the trash heap to the showroom floor, and the journey of the banana stem is an engineering marvel.
It takes a massive amount of coordination, technology, and effort to make this process look this simple. But the people behind the machines are the real heartbeat of this revolutionary approach to textile manufacturing.
The final product is a masterpiece of sustainability that looks as good as it is for the earth.
This is the future of manufacturing, where waste is just a resource waiting for the right technology.
It starts with a seed and ends with a solution to some of our biggest waste problems.
As long as we keep eating bananas, this factory will keep running, turning leftovers into luxury for everyone.
We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of banana stem processing and carpets.
What other industrial processes do you want us to explore next? Let me know in the comments.
Do not forget to like and share this video if you found this engineering process as cool as I did.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video for another amazing engineering adventure.